Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable USB boot options on your HP Pro desktop. This is a HP 400 G4 desktop. So I'm going to power on the PC, then I'll click F9 so that we go to the boot menu. So when you go to the boot menu, this is what we get. We don't have the USB boot options as you can see, and we have our USB inside. So what you're going to do, you're going to click escape, and then you go to the BIOS system. You can click F10. I'm going to click F10, and then to take us to the BIOS system, and we have our advanced. You go to advanced, and when you go to advanced, you will see secure boot and boot options. So right now you're going to enable this option, and after enabling this, you're going to go back. Then you go to secure boot configurations. Then you have to enable legacy support and disable secure boot so that you can install any other Windows operating system. So I'm going to click back. Then I'll click F10 control. Actually, I'll click F10 without control. Then to bring save changes, then you click yes. Then after, we are going to click our F9 so that we go to the BIOS system. To the boot menu. So I'm clicking my F. So this, when you reach this point, you have to click in this code so that it saves the previous changes, because I'm going to click 2 1 2 1 and then click enter. So when you click that, it's going to restart again, then to save the other previous changes you made. So I'm going to click my F9 so that we go to the boot menu again. So when I go to the boot menu, you will see that we have our SanDisk that we have here, the red one. So when you click on it, it will start loading the Windows files, and this is how you go along with enabling your USB boot options on your DELL Pro desktops, and this would work on other desktops. And this is an i5 7th generation. So after here, the files are going to load from the USB. Then you'll be able to boot your Windows files. This could be any other Windows operating system or Linux or Ubuntu, other softwares. You do the same procedure. So in my next videos, I'll show you how to do. So this is what we get. If I come closer, we have our Windows 11 waiting for installation. So I'm going to stop from here. This was just a quick video on how to enable your Windows, how to enable USB boot options on your HP laptops and HP desktops. This would work in the same way. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified if I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.